Stick around to see how you can create the perfect mommy-daughter craft together by creating this whimsical butterfly wind catcher. And my daughter absolutely loved this craft. She ran all around the house with it. You gotta make it. Stay tuned.
What a wonderful world.
Hey, welcome creatives, and welcome back to my channel. So we're going to go ahead and get started by having your child pick out which foam sheet they want for the butterfly's wings. And make sure you guys get 2 foam sheets. Now you could also use construction paper too, but I would not glue anything heavy. If you use construction paper, just use some light things to decorate the wings by using, markers, crayons. Have your kids, put some sequins or whatever they want on their wings. So now I'm gonna cut it out for her. She's only 3, so she can't cut. And as she's patiently waiting, I'm going to have her decorate her wings now. And there's her sister stealing the glue. Remember, you guys can decorate your wings any way you see fit. My daughter just really wanted to use these Pom Pom Balls, so we're going to use that today. And I would not suggest using Pom Pom Balls if you have construction paper wings, but foam sheets will work fine because they'll withstand the weight. Just don't put too much Pom Pom Balls, okay? All right, so now the second step is grab a piece of construction paper and have your child decorate that the way they see fit. And gotta love good 3-year-old art, right? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use this art and I'm going to wrap the paper towel roll in this art. And it's a 2-for-1 because I'm going to actually have her decorate by putting the streamers on this construction paper so we can wrap it around the paper towel roll. So now you're going to take your streamers and you're going to glue them to the back of the sheet that your child just decorated, and that is where we're going to hang our streamers. Now just roll your paper towel roll so that it is covered by the art and the streamers, and you're going to glue that end down. So you're just going to let this dry. I had a clothespin, so I'm just going to use that to keep it shut, but this is totally optional. You don't need a clothespin. It'll dry just fine if you don't have one. All right, so grab your popsicle stick and we're going to put this thing together. We're going to need a pipe cleaner for the antennas. And look guys, I found these little Pom Pom Critters at Dollar Tree. Figured I could use them for something. And then grab some yarn. Don't forget your yarn. So grab one of Pom Pom Critters. She was so wild about these. I think those are cute for nice little rewards. So check that out. You can find them by the stickers and school supplies section. That's where I found this in Dollar Tree. So I just basically cut the feet and the little ribbon off, and I'm going to hot glue the head of this little critter on this popsicle stick. And we're gonna just let that dry for a minute. So see how the wings look a little heavy, but once the glue completely dries, it won't be as heavy. I just needed to show y'all how to do this before their bedtime. Last step, please put the antenna on the head of the butterfly so it looks like a butterfly. We're just gonna fold it into a little V, and then we're gonna hot glue that to the top, and then we'll be completely done. How cute did this turn out, guys? So the last step is putting some yarn at the top so that we can hang this bad boy, and then we'll be all done. And now it's ready to hang. So you guys can hang this anywhere in your child's room, in the closet, on the doorway, anywhere. I think this is beautiful. Turned out awesome. Look at her. She's so proud of it. I love that we could do this together, you know? Oh, you look so cute. I love that. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. It's okay. She looks so pretty.
So cute.
It is so cute. What do you name your butterfly?
It's butterfly.
The name is Butterfly? Can we be more creative? And
You're pretty gross.
yeah, thank you. Yeah, I'm gonna make sure my hands don't get messy like they always do. All right, very nice. I like it. All right, so that is our craft for today. I hope you guys really enjoy it. I actually got another butterfly one I'm gonna show y'all tomorrow, so make sure y'all keep checking back, okay? We're still doing the kids craft madness for the month of March, so we get a new craft tomorrow. Check back. See ya.